Welcome to the DGAI token analysis. In this video, we will analyze key metrics of a project and its prospects. Token analysis. Token type. DGAI is the native utility token of DGrid AI, a decentralized AI inference infrastructure project. DGrid is designed to connect AI model providers, users, developers, and distributed node operators through a common gateway and blockchain coordination layer. This places DGAI in a strong category: AI infrastructure plus decentralized compute plus AI agents plus blockchain. Project objective: DGrid AI aims to create a decentralized marketplace, an infrastructure layer for AI inference. Its ecosystem includes AI gateway with access to 200 plus modal AI arena for modal comparison model marketplace story, model selection assistant DCLA, deployment infrastructure for AI agents. The objective is considerably more substantial than simply attaching an AI narrative to a token. Utility. DGAI has genuine protocol-level utility. According to the project's documentation, the token is intended for AI inference and agent service payments node operator staking service accountability network and ecosystem rewards protocol governance. Node operators can stake DGAI as collateral, while malicious or unreliable behavior can potentially result in penalties. This gives DGAI several interconnected utility functions rather than a single speculative use case. Tokenomics. DGAI has a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens. The allocation is reported as 50% node and infrastructure incentives, 15% community programs, 10% team, 10% investors, 8% airdrops, 7% initial liquidity. The large 50% infrastructure allocation is potentially positive because it is intended to fund network growth. However, the major concern is that CoinMarketCap currently reports zero circulating supply, while showing a fully diluted valuation of roughly $386 million and significant trading volume. That makes supply data and launch stage distribution something to monitor very carefully. Liquidity. DGAI currently shows substantial trading activity for such a new token. CoinMarketCap reports approximately $13.2 million in 24-hour volume, while the token had only recently been added to CoinMarketCap. This is a strong initial signal. However, because the circulating supply is currently reported as unavailable zero and the token is extremely new, I would not yet treat this as proven long-term liquidity. Smart contract and security. DGAI uses EVM-compatible infrastructure and is described in the project's white paper as being issued on BNB chain with compatibility across EVM networks. CoinMarketCap also lists BNB chain and an Arbitrum representation. The architecture is therefore based on established blockchain standards. The main weakness is track record. DGAI is extremely new, so there has not been enough time to establish a long operational security history. Team and governance. DGrid has considerably more technical documentation than a typical microcap AI token. Its documentation describes the network architecture, gateway, marketplace, AI arena, token functions, and node infrastructure. The white paper also describes governance mechanisms for certain protocol parameters and model whitelisting decisions. Still, actual decentralized governance has not yet been demonstrated at scale. Community and social presence. DGrid already has a functioning ecosystem of products and developer-facing infrastructure, which is more important than social media numbers alone. However, CoinMarketCap currently shows only around 844 holders, indicating that the token's distribution is still extremely early, so I would rate this rather than for now. Honeypot risk. Here is no obvious indication from the available information that DGAI is structured as a classic honeypot. More importantly, the project has public documentation, a defined protocol architecture published tokenomics I infrastructure products public contract information. That does not eliminate smart contract or market risk, but it is substantially better than an anonymous meme token launch. Competitive positioning. This is one of DGAI's strongest indicators. DGrid is targeting the intersection of AI inference agents, decentralized, compute AI, model marketplaces, blockchain, payments node incentives. The AI Gateway's OpenAI-compatible API and access to more than 200 models are particularly interesting because they reduce the integration burden for developers. This gives DGrid a more concrete product proposition than many AI tokens. Adoption and growth potential. The growth potential is significant because DGrid sits at the intersection of two major narratives: AI infrastructure plus decentralized networks. The project already describes an operational AI gateway, model marketplace, AI arena, and agent infrastructure. The most important question now is whether these products translate into real recurring inference demand and sustainable network usage. The current trading activity is impressive, but it should not be confused with actual product adoption. Risk versus reward. DGAI has a potentially attractive risk-reward profile, but it is extremely early. Potential upside: AI infrastructure growth, decentralized agent economy model, marketplace network effects, staking-based node incentives, programmable AI payments. Major risks: very early token uncertain, circulating supply, future unlock, pressure intense AI crypto competition, execution, risk limited, proven network usage. The opportunity is strong, but the valuation could move much faster than fundamentals. Final score: promising early AI infrastructure project. Investment decision. To decide whether to invest in DGAI token, do your own research or get insights from tokenlisting.org.